Throughout human history, few foods have endured the test of time like the humble date. This small, sweet fruit has been a staple in the diets of ancient civilizations, carried by nomads across vast deserts, and even mentioned in religious texts like the Quran and the Bible. But why have dates remained so important for thousands of years? What makes this fruit so special? Today, we're diving deep into the remarkable history, nutritional value, and untold secrets of the date. By the end of this video, you'll understand why dates are not just a snack, but a superfood that has nourished, healed, and sustained millions of people for over 5,000 years. The story of dates begins in the Fertile Crescent, an ancient region that stretches from modern-day Iraq to Egypt. Mesopotamian records dating back to 4000 BCE document the cultivation of date palms. These palms, often referred to as the trees of life, were vital to early agricultural communities. For these ancient civilizations, dates weren't just food. They were essential for trade, medicine, and even religion. In ancient Egypt, dates were buried alongside pharaohs as symbols of eternal life. In the Arabian Peninsula, where water and food were scarce, dates provided vital nutrition, ensuring survival in harsh environments. For these cultures, dates were worth their weight in gold. You might be familiar with the large, juicy medjool dates sold in grocery stores, but did you know there are over 200 varieties of dates grown around the world? Each type has its own unique flavor, texture, and even nutritional profile. Medjool dates, often called the king of dates, are known for their caramel-like sweetness and soft texture. In contrast, deglut nor dates are smaller, with a firmer bite and a more subtle sweetness. Then there's the halawi date, prized for its buttery richness, and the zahidi date, a drier variety perfect for cooking. Some varieties of dates are even used to make date syrup, a natural sweetener that has been used for thousands of years. Let's talk nutrition. Dates pack a serious punch when it comes to health benefits. They're rich in fiber, which helps with digestion, and they're an excellent source of potassium, which is essential for heart health. But that's just the beginning. A single date contains over 15 minerals, including magnesium, copper, and manganese. Dates are also loaded with powerful antioxidants like flavonoids, which help reduce inflammation, and phenolic acid, known to lower the risk of heart disease. Did you know that dates have more potassium per serving than bananas? Or that they're packed with more antioxidants than many superfoods like blueberries and spinach? Just 3 dates a day can give you a significant energy boost without the crash that comes from processed sugars. Dates are more than just food. They're deeply woven into the fabric of many cultures and religions. Nowhere is this more evident than during the Islamic holy month of Ramadan. During Ramadan, Muslims fast from dawn to sunset, and traditionally, the fast is broken each evening with a few dates. Breaking the fast with dates isn't just symbolic. The natural sugars in dates provide a quick source of energy, while their fiber helps with digestion. Studies show that eating dates after fasting helps stabilize blood sugar levels. In ancient times, dates were also used in religious rituals and offerings. In Judaism, dates were one of the 7 species mentioned in the Torah, symbolizing the fertility of the land. Now let's dive into the science. Recent studies have confirmed what ancient civilizations knew all along. Dates are a powerhouse of nutrition. Research from Harvard shows that the high fiber content in dates promotes healthy digestion and can reduce the risk of colorectal cancer. Another study from the Journal of Clinical Nutrition reveals that dates are excellent for heart health due to their potassium and magnesium levels, which help regulate blood pressure. Dates are also rich in polyphenol, natural compounds found in plants that help protect the body from oxidative stress and inflammation. These polyphenol can lower your risk of chronic diseases like heart disease and cancer. If you're looking for a natural way to boost your energy, look no further than dates. With their perfect balance of natural sugars, fiber, and minerals, dates are an ideal snack for athletes and anyone with an active lifestyle. Top athletes and fitness trainers swear by dates as a pre- and post-workout snack. They provide a quick energy boost from their natural sugars, while their fiber ensures sustained energy throughout your workout. Unlike many processed energy bars, which are loaded with artificial sugars, dates provide a clean, natural energy source without any added junk. Dates are incredibly versatile and can be used in a variety of dishes, from sweet to savory. Whether you're tossing them into a smoothie, adding them to a salad, or using them as a natural sweetener in baked goods, dates are a fantastic addition to any diet. Try blending dates into a smoothie with almond milk and bananas for a delicious post-workout drink. Or make energy balls by mixing dates with nuts and seeds. For a savory twist, stuff dates with goat cheese and wrap them in prosciutto for a gourmet appetizer. Dates are also a fantastic alternative to refined sugar. Just blend them into a paste and use it to sweeten everything from oatmeal to cookies. Have you ever wondered how dates go from towering palm trees to your kitchen table? The process is both ancient and fascinating. Dates are harvested by hand, often from palm trees that can grow up to 75 feet tall. Farmers climb these trees and carefully handpick the ripe dates. It's a labor-intensive process that has remained largely unchanged for thousands of years. Picture rows of date palms swaying in the desert wind, with farmers working tirelessly to bring this ancient fruit to markets around the world. From their rich history to their incredible health benefits, dates are truly a gift from nature. They've nourished ancient civilizations and continue to offer us a natural, nutrient-packed snack today. So next time you're at the grocery store, pick up a box of dates and enjoy the same superfood that has fueled humanity for over 5,000 years. Whether you eat them as a snack, use them in recipes, or incorporate them into your fitness routine, dates deserve a place in every kitchen. And don't forget to subscribe. Our next video will uncover the surprising health benefits of avocados and how this versatile fruit can transform your meals. You won't want to miss it.